A new engine for a single fighter jet may seem like a minor technical update, It is the kind of detail often lost in the complex world of defense procurement and technology. However, the proposed engine upgrade for Sweden's Saab Gripen fighter represents something far more significant. This is not merely an incremental improvement in thrust or speed. It is a development that can fundamentally alter the calculus of air power for nations around the globe. This essay will demonstrate how this advancement can reshape military strategy, shift geopolitical alliances, redefine what it means to have a credible, effective air force. The central argument is straightforward. The new engine promises to enhance the Gripen's performance while driving down operational costs and reducing logistical burdens. This combination, increased capability and greater affordability, is a powerful force multiplier. It makes modern air power accessible to countries previously priced out of top-tier fighters. For nations with limited defense budgets, this is a game changer. To grasp the strategic implications, we must first understand the technology at its core. The engine in question is an evolution of the General Electric F414, the same family of engines that powers the U.S. Navy's FA-18 Super Hornet. Saab and GE have collaborated to create a specific variant tailored for the single-engine Gripen EF model. This is not a radical, untested invention from a new company. It is the careful and deliberate adaptation of a proven, reliable, and powerful engine. This fact is crucial because it minimizes the technical risk, making it a more attractive proposition for cautious international buyers. The primary change is an increase in power, or thrust. The new F414 GE39E engine provides a significant boost over the Volvo RM12 engine used in previous Gripen models. This additional thrust directly translates into improved combat performance. A fighter jet with more power can accelerate faster, climb more rapidly, and sustain higher speeds during maneuvers. This is particularly important for a light multi-role fighter like the Gripen. The most immediate impact of the new engine is a dramatic enhancement of the Gripen's flight performance. The increased thrust directly improves the aircraft's thrust-to-weight ratio. Thrust-to-weight is a key metric for a fighter's agility and acceleration. This means the Gripen E can outmaneuver adversaries in a dogfight, escape dangerous situations more effectively, and reach its operational altitude faster. For a smaller air force facing a numerically superior opponent, performance is a critical advantage. It allows pilots to dictate the terms of an engagement. A more powerful engine also means a greater payload capacity. Air-to-air missiles for combat air patrols, larger air-to-ground munitions for strike missions, advanced electronic warfare pods, and sensor pods. This versatility transforms the Gripen into a true multi-role platform. Gripen E's increased hardpoints and weapon load capabilities expand mission options. Perhaps the most underrated advantage is fuel efficiency, especially when supercruising on dry thrust. While performance gains are impressive, the true strategic disruption comes from the Gripen's cost-effectiveness. In military aviation, the sticker price is only the beginning. Fuel, maintenance, spare parts, personnel training, often several times the purchase price. The Gripen E with F414 is designed to minimize operational costs. High fuel efficiency reduces a volatile expense across thousands of flight hours. The logistical footprint is deliberately small. Modular design and high reliability mean fewer spares and smaller crews. Operate from austere, dispersed airstrips, harder to neutralize. Low costs and simple logistics translate directly into higher readiness. Air power equals jets in the air, not jets owned. Simple to fly, easy to maintain, more mission-capable tails. 30 Gripens could deliver more usable air power than 50 complex fighters, reshaping how governments budget and buy. To fully appreciate the Gripen E's impact, compare it to primary competitors. Fifth-generation stealth like the F-35 brings stealth, sensor fusion, and networking at immense cost. Purchase and sustainment are high, with complex support networks. Gripen E does not chase stealth. It offers a highly capable 4.5 Gen package with strong EW and AESA radar at far lower cost. Russian jets are formidable but often carry reliability and maintenance burdens. Rafale is exceptional, priced accordingly. Gripen positions in the gap, Western-level reliability and tech at competitive cost. For practical, budget-conscious, strategically independent nations, it credibly deters larger neighbors without deep dependence. With the new engine, Gripen becomes a disruptive force in the arms trade hierarchy. It offers balanced capability, cost, and operational independence, often the smart choice for a large slice of the global market. Section 6. The geopolitical chessboard: alliances, exports, and influence. Fighter sales are never just commercial, they shape alliances for decades. A buyer chooses training, logistics, software upgrades, and political alignment. With a more capable engine, Gripen E helps Sweden build durable relationships. Adoption creates a block of shared tech and strategic interests. Many seek modernization without falling squarely into a superpower's orbit. Brazil's Gripen E deal included technology transfer and local industry participation. Saab's industrial cooperation deepens strategic bonds and creates an ecosystem. This weakens the long-standing US-Russian duopoly, giving buyers leverage and options. For Sweden, exporting influence through technology is a strategic cornerstone. The result? Capable, independent air forces serving national interests, and a subtler shift in global power. Imagine a medium-sized Southeast Asian nation facing disputes in the South China Sea against a larger neighbor. With long-range, super cruise, and anti-ship missiles, it can threaten naval assets from safe distances, raising the cost of invasion or blockade. A NATO bordering state may afford more Gripens than F-35s, enabling persistent air policing. Gripen's road strip ops, born from Sweden's doctrine, boost resilience against base strikes, greater self-reliance, and stronger alliance contribution. In Latin America or Africa, multi-role Gripens shift from recon to precision strike in a single day, affordably. Low operating costs sustain tempo without breaking budgets. They project power at home and deter rivals abroad. The engine does not win wars alone. It changes everyone's calculations. It raises the price of aggression, enhances self-sufficiency, and equips nations for varied security challenges. A balanced analysis. The new Gripen engine is not a silver bullet. Effectiveness depends on pilot training, weapons and sensors, command and control, and national strategy. Competition will keep evolving, and the F-35 sustainment cost may decline. Saab and partners must keep innovating. Integration can reveal unforeseen challenges. Early adopters face teething issues. Reliance on a U.S. engine means sales require U.S. approval. Politics matter. Some buyers choose prestige and alliance alignment over pure value. Section 9. Conclusion. The future of air power is not just about the elite. This engine is a catalyst for shifting the distribution of military power. It boosts performance, range, and payload, while enforcing low operating costs and simple logistics. Modern air power becomes attainable for more nations. Expect a more complex, multipolar security environment, driven as much by smart, affordable capability as by elite stealth.